Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ke Mahindra Adventure Rally Team rengkat ke jing trelang bat ke Indian Motor Sports Club. Shen ken sapelong biang ya ke jing kop nyak kali ya ke belatem kom ke Mahindra Adventure Great Escape Shillong. Keban sepelong hakakat palaterik mentau Naiwing ha Maujrong East Castles District. Kani ke jing pelong ya ke ni ke jing kop kandairu kesien ke basis pa sapupra. Bat hakisnam baladap laju pelong ya ka hakaleng ki benta jongkari India. Kani ke jingkop ka aya kala na kabenta kinongnya kali bat kumjo ya kitrai kali jongki kali jong ke company Mahindra bekinyo alat ban pani yala kasab bat ke jing sempang jongki ha kabanya kali jongki wat ki jaka bamdai ki surok ya kali ne ki jaka ki bolong lom.
Basically this event will be held on the 18th of this month, that is a Saturday. The total distance we'll be having basically a Great Escape. Let me explain the Great Escape. Great Escape is an experience drive given to all Mahindra customers and owners of Mahindra vehicle who basically buy the 4x4 vehicles and they want to learn the experience as to how to drive a 4x4. Also an experiential drive for their family so that we can take them to a very scenic place and get them back. So basically it will be a trail drive for them. It's a fun drive. So they'll be driving a distance of almost about 25 kilometers around the Mount Chong. He'll explain the local areas wherever we are going. So we are starting it from basically Chirapunji Cafe this time. So it's a very scenic location there. So we'll be having a distance of almost about 25 kilometers traveling in the mountainous roads there, where they will cross stream crossings, rocks and mountain climbs. Also, it's a one-day experience. Basically, people come in the morning at 8 o'clock, they register there. So, for the trail drive, we charge amount of 3,000 rupees, where two people are given breakfast and lunch along with t-shirts and caps, and the experiential drive. Also, we have something called a trophy. This is the more exciting part of the event. Trophy is basically people with 4x4 vehicle. There are two categories, one is the stock and one is the modified. So people compete against each other locally from Shillong, Guwahati, from the neighboring town, cities. They come here and compete against each other. We have two categories, one the stock and the modified. So also we have a ladies category. So we take the best five. In the sense, in the ladies category we take one lady driver, and also in the stock category 2 drivers. And the modified categories. These winners will get trophies, and also we'll be having a final round in Mumbai, very close to, it's in Igatpuri, close to Nasik. We have a Mahindra Adventure Academy there. So we will give them a free flight ticket and stay for 3 nights at Igatpuri, and we will be providing our vehicles for them to compete against each other from people who are qualified from the rest of India. This is the 12th event of this year, 10th event of this year. So from 10 different locations, we're going to have 5 people coming in and almost 50 people fighting in for a grand finale, which will happen somewhere in the month of February next year. And the winner will come back home with a Thar, a new brand new Mahindra Thar. So this is, I think, the highest award which any motorsport event as of now is getting, almost close to 10 lakh worth of Thar. The runner-up and the third place guys will get an experiential drive in Leh Ladakh, or free goodies from Maxis Tires, or some goodies from Gulf Oil.